Hey there, Auto Rangers family! Welcome back to Auto Rangers Car, your ultimate destination for car reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the luxurious and powerful 2025 Porsche Cayenne, an SUV that redefines performance and elegance. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting reviews. Exterior design. The 2025 Cayenne flaunts a bold and refined look. Up front, you'll notice the wider grille and signature matrix LED headlights that provide a commanding presence. Sleek body lines, muscular fenders, and aerodynamic contours enhance its sporty appeal. At the rear, a sleek LED light bar and twin exhausts add a modern touch. With options for 22-inch alloy wheels and a variety of exterior colors, the Cayenne is designed to turn heads. Interior VE comfort. Step inside, and it's pure luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features a curved 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Porsche Communication Management. The passenger side even gets an optional 10.9-inch screen for media and navigation. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting set a sophisticated tone. Plus, with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a Bose or Burmester sound system, comfort is guaranteed. Performance, speed VE engine. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne offers multiple powerful engine options. Cayenne Base, a 3.0-litre turbocharged V6 with 348 HP, reaching 0 to 100 km/h in 5.7 seconds. Cayenne S, featuring a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 producing 468 HP, accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.7 seconds. Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid. This plug-in hybrid pairs a V8 with an electric motor, delivering a jaw-dropping 729 HP and hitting 0 to 100 km/h in 3.5 seconds. All models come equipped with all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension for exceptional handling and ride comfort. Ownership VE pricing. The Porsche Cayenne is produced by Porsche AG, a subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group. For 2025, the Cayenne starts at around $80,000, while the range-topping Turbo E-Hybrid could go over $150,000. In India, prices may range from 1.2 Indian rupees crore to 2 Indian rupees crore, depending on the model and options. Conclusion. So, Auto Rangers family, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne is the perfect fusion of luxury, performance, and technology. Whether you crave speed or a premium driving experience, the Cayenne delivers it all. What are your thoughts on this stunning SUV? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Rangers Car for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, keep riding in style.